Some people can't function without negativity because bringing down others' mistake feel them better. Ignore negative people. They feed on your reaction, and if they see you being affected by what they do or say, they will keep doing it. Don't waste another minute dealing with a negative energy draining person. Albert Einstein said, stay away from negative people, they have a problem for every solution. You don't ever have to feel guilty about removing toxic people from your life. It doesn't matter whether someone is a relative, interest, employer, childhood friend, or a new acquaintance. You don't have to make room for people who cause you pain or make you feel small. It's one thing if one person owns up to their behavior and makes effort to change. But if a person disregards your feelings, ignores your boundaries, and continues to treat you in a harmful way, they need to go. The people you surrounded yourself with have a tremendous impact on your mind. Don't spend most of your time around negative people who diminish you. Pay attention to how you feel around people and limit your time with those who don't lift you up. The less you respond to negative people, the more peaceful your life will become. Life is short. Don't waste it with negative people who don't appreciate you. Keep them in your heart, but keep them out of your life. Life becomes easier when you delete the negative people from it. You can never win an argument with a negative person. They only hear what suits them and listen only to respond. Negative thoughts will destroy you. Always do your best. Keep a positive attitude.